Break the shell. Release the river. This is molten magic. Every lava cake holds a secret, a piece of chocolate. Buried deep. Waiting to become liquid gold. Dark chocolate meets butter, two strangers, now lovers melting into one. The bite. Crisp outside, liquid inside, bitter and sweet, hot and rich, one bite. Chocolate on the tongue, warmth down the throat, eyes close. This is the moment.
What is this spark?
Chocolate meets eggs. Gentle circles, never rush. The batter tells you when it's ready. Whisk until pale, air trapped inside. This gives the cake its rise. The vessel. Butter the walls. Dust with cocoa. A dark velvet coat. So the cake releases clean. The secret heart. Here, the magic. One square of chocolate pressed into the center. This becomes the lava. Love meet the fire. 12 minutes, not 11, not 13, 12. The edges set, the center stays soft. Timing is everything. One breath, flip. Lift slowly, a perfect dome, dark, mysterious, hiding a molten heart. Chocolate lava cake, molten magic. The heart must always flow. Now, the moment, spoon meets shell. Gentle pressure, and then the flow. It flows, hot, sweet, alive, like eating liquid chocolate, like swallowing warmth itself. This is why we bake. The world of lava. Some cakes are meant to be perfect. This one is meant to be broken. The mess is the magic, the flow is the reward. In every crack lives a river of chocolate, waiting to escape. Italy fills theirs with Nutella. Hazelnut rivers. Japan makes it light. Soufflé meets lava. Air and chocolate dancing. Spain adds orange. Citrus cutting through dark. Mexico brings heat. Chili in the chocolate. Fire inside fire. America makes it rich. Peanut butter core. Sweet and salty. Belgium stays pure. Just chocolate. The best chocolate. Nothing else needed. The question. So many versions. So many secrets. Which one is mine? The original, pure dark chocolate, 70% cacao, no additions, no distractions, just chocolate, honest, bold, unapologetic, because sometimes simple is everything.